Good morning, my beautiful people. Today I will be taking you guys with me to work. I usually work from home, but today I decided to go in the office. I'll show you guys what I usually do when I do go into the office. So when I wake up in the morning, I usually just say a short prayer, and then after I usually check my phone, my messages, and my email to make sure I don't have anyone to reply to. And then after I've done all that, I usually just throw my robe on and make my bed. I don't always make my bed, I'm not gonna lie. I do it when I have the time, but today is the morning that I decide to make it for the video. And after I'm done making my bed, I just go to the bathroom and to turn the shower on and kind of to get the water warm enough for me to be able to use. I'll just let you guys watch and see. After I'm done showering, it's time for me to get my hair prepped and prepared to go to work. Today I decided to let my hair down. I was gonna style it differently, but I'm like, nah, I didn't have enough time on my hands, so I think it looks cute being let down. After my hair is done, I go get ready. I don't know why I decided to choose this outfit. I'm wearing pink today. I like it, it's cute, so it's whatever. After I'm done getting ready, I decided to go make breakfast for work. I'm not really a morning person, guys, so I always skip breakfast. I usually wake up pretty late on my days off, and if I'm going to work, I don't usually make breakfast and eat. I usually just take something with me. So this morning I decided to make a strawberry smoothie to take to work. Back de classe, me na subject. I don't know which one to choose. Well, it's not that snowy outside. So I might be able to wear this. Guys, which one looks better with my outfit? I don't even know. There's more, I don't know. No, I'm gonna go with this. So we're in winter right now, and because it's pretty cold, it was probably around like -20 outside. I had to warm up the vehicle 20 minutes before I leave to make sure it's pretty warm before I get there. So my vehicle is pretty warmed up now. It's time for me to leave the house. This is the bag that I bring with my computers in there. My personal computer that I take home after I'm done with my shift. I usually also take my water bottle. I try to drink at least 2 liters of water a day. I don't always drink that, but I'm doing my best. I'm really trying. So I turned my lights off, and it's time for me to get out of here because I'm running super late. As you guys can see, there's literally snow everywhere. The snow, I think we got snow the previous night. So now I have to I got an extension to plug the vehicle in when I get back from work. And now it's time for me to remove the snow off my vehicle, the windshield, so I can see properly while I'm driving. So I finally arrived at work. I have to turn the lights on because I'm usually the first one in the morning there, because I have to work around like 8 a.m. All my other co-workers arrive between 10 to 1 p.m. So when I get to my office, I just kind of put all my stuff down, hang my jacket up, and kind of just get on with my day. Hey guys, so I just arrived at work. I'm gonna give you guys a tour of my office. As soon as you come in, you can I can always hang up my jackets and stuff on the rack there. And when you turn to your left here, this is my station, my workstation. And I always have my hand sanitizer there to make sure my hands are always clean. Over here, I have my filing cabinet that I have all my clients' documents and paperwork and stuff in. Whenever I'm looking for something, I know it's always in there. Under here, I have my trash can. Here, I have a additional small heater in here because it gets pretty cold in the winter right now. And I'm all the way in the back, so it's pretty cold down here. And then to the right over here, I have a little station where I have some of my other books, policies, and all of that over this side. And then I use this chair for my clients if they come here. They're hard to do, but if they do come here, I have an extra chair for them that they sit down and we can like talk face to face there. And then over here, I have my cabinet. As y'all can see up there are some baby seat, or what is it called? Is it baby seat? Child seat or whatever it is. There's some clients they have children because I drive my clients sometimes, and some of them have young kids also. I use the seat to put in my vehicle and strap the kids in there just to make sure that they're safe. So I have both for my clients there just in case I need them. And then I have my other filing cabinets there that I have like some cleaning supplies and stuff if I need, if necessary. Anyways, let's get back into the video. As you guys can see, I have two laptops here. This one here is my work laptop and the second one is my personal laptop. I use my personal laptop to listen to like podcasts when I'm working, or I use it sometimes to watch a movie when I'm on my lunch break. So the first thing I do when I get to work in the morning, I have to kind of double check on my calendar to make sure all my appointments, and also I have to call a few agencies and the child ministry to make sure I have all my clients that I need to speak with them about, and that's what you guys gonna hear me. Hi, good morning. How are you doing? I'm good, thank you so much. My name is Christina. I'm calling from the I called yesterday regarding to speaking with somebody. I was assigned 6 or 7 clients that was mandated by MCFD, but I was advised by my supervisor to call to confirm who their social workers are and to see if the case is still open or I need to close them or not. I left a voice message on somebody's voicemail. I think her name was Lisbeth or Lizzie or something. Can't remember. Yesterday, but I haven't received a call back and we really need to speak with somebody. Thank you. I have all my clients' details and information here. I would love to get a call back as soon as possible, please. You can reach me at the phone number 250. Thank you so much and have a good day. These people, like, I don't know why they don't pick up, man. I've left so many voice messages and they're still not answering. They're still not picking up. They're still not calling me back. Like, I don't understand. And this is like urgent.
Alright. Me God, me say me nay get the best and fashion, so me God be asked. Go on Instagram, was stressed out when I type this the money, you know, say I did push this in your cause me tell her say, I really want to do nothing for my birthday and whatever.
Okay.
Your friend.
That's what happened when I secure the front and I secure the back. I'm so hungry. It's lunchtime. Guys, so it's my lunchtime right now. It's approximately 12:30 p.m. and I gotta go get something to eat for lunch. I don't know what I want today, but I'm going outside. Let's drink. Yeah. No, that's it. And nobody else but you. Thank you so much. You too. I'm back at work right now and I'm about to eat and watch a movie. I'm on my break time now anyway, my lunch time, so I usually like watch movies or something on my laptop. I don't know if I'm the only one that can never just eat and not watch a movie or do something on your phone or a computer or something. I have to. It's a must. I have to. This is what I got. I bought 2 pieces of chicken. guys, I just came back from an appointment with a client. I actually meet up with them in their house with their family members and stuff. I just went in to check on them to make sure everything is going well in the home. There are days when I do have to go to the client's house and they don't have to come to my office. So this was one of the day. I'm sorry guys, I was unable to take you guys because I'm not allowed to bring phone or record conversations in the house due to confidentiality. So right now I'm trying to book an appointment with them for the following week. Yeah. And what time? I don't have anything scheduled for Monday, but I can probably do in the late morning or afternoon. How about around like 10 a.m. or 11 a.m.? Too early? 12 is, yeah, 12, yes, 12 works for me too. Okay. I'll set you down for 12. No, I'm sorry, but no, you're not allowed to do that. You just have to come alone. I can probably try to reach out to my supervisor and see if it's possible to ask if you can bring somebody along, but I don't think you can because information that I'll be sharing should be confidential between just you and I as the client. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much for talking to me today, and I will see you on Monday, okay? Okay, have a good day. Bye. So I'm all done now. It's time for me to pack up and get out of here. Washed the vehicle in such a long time and it's so dirty, as you guys could see in the beginning of the video. So I'm just going to get it washed. Like, it's super dirty, awful snow all over. I'm trying to wash it before I go home. My truck is so clean. Look at that. Oh my god. Sparkling. Okay, so sparkly. Excuse me. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you want me to film my work from home days as well. Send it to a family, a friend, a brother, sister to come over and subscribe to my channel today. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. I can't hold